Hello my fashion lovers, welcome to the today's tutorial. On today's tutorial I'll be making bubu. It's a long bubu with pockets and it has a hoodie. As you can see from the video, it has a hoodie. Depending on where you want your hoodie to start from, this one started from the back. For the hoodie bubu jack, depending on where you want it to start from, you can start from the front of the neckline, but I started from the back. I'll be showing you step by step on how to make this bubu with a hoodie. You can choose to cover your head with it, or you can choose to pull it back. And this is how it's going to appear. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Let's proceed. Now you're going to fold your fabric. I have the front and the back. The front and the back, depending on how big you want it to be. I folded with 18 inches. What I have is 18 inches. You fold with your shoulder divided by 2 plus where you want your sleeve. If your shoulder is 17, you divide it by 2. Then you add the sleeve length where you want your sleeve length to stop. And now we are going to, the length of my bubu is 56. That is the length of the bubu I'm working with. And now I measure the 18 inches I'm working with on the shoulder line. Measure 18 inches, and from there you mark out 1 inch for shoulder slope. Then you take your armhole opening. My armhole opening, I'm taking 11 inches. How open you want the armhole to be. I took 11 inches for the armhole and I marked it down. And now on the neckline, I'll be taking 3 inches for the width, and for the depth, I'll be taking 1.5 inch for the back. Then for the front, I'll be taking 8 inches for the V neckline. Now go ahead and connect. And this is for the front and the back. I'll go ahead and connect the shoulder slope to the neckline. I'll connect the curve, the 1.5 inch to the neckline. And from here, I will get the bust points. I'll get the bust points. If you like, you can go ahead and take the body measurements, but for here I'm not taking any body measurement because I want it to be free. I want it to be free. What I have is my bust plus 5 inches. I want it to be free. And now I marked where the pockets will be. And from the armhole, I came down by 2 inches to have a curve by the side. I came down by 2 inches and marked the curve. Then from there, I will take it down to the length. This is a free bubu, so there is no need for measurement. Unless you want it to be fitted, you go ahead and take the body measurements. But if you want it to be free, just mark your armhole and go ahead and take it down to the down part. And now I'm going to cut out the neckline. For the back, I'll cut the shoulder slope. And I'll go ahead and cut out the side. At this point, if you have not clicked on the subscribe button, please click like and subscribe. And this is what we have for the front and the back. Now I'm going to take out the back. I'm going to take out the back and cut out the front neckline. And after cutting, I'll go ahead and join the two sides. Join it on the shoulder, but first of all, mark get your facing or whatever you are going to use to turn the neck. You turn the neck, then join them on the shoulder. Fix your pockets. And now we are going to draft. I'm going to draft the hoodie. I'm going to draft the hoodie. Just bring your fabric you have sewn. Then I'm going to measure where I want the hoodie to start. I don't want the hoodie to come to the front. If you want it to come to the front, wherever point you want it to start from there to measure. But I don't want it to come to the front, so I'll measure from where I want it to start from. I'll measure the length of where I want it to start from. And what I have here is 7.5 inches. I'll add half-inch sewing allowance. That will make it 8 inches. And now here, for the length of the bubu, the length of the hoodie, the constant is 17. So I'll go ahead and mark out 17 inches. That is the length of the bubu is constant. I'll mark it out. Then that's 8 inches. I'll go ahead and mark 1 inch for the borderline. That is the starting point. This is our starting point. That's 17 inches. I'll come down by 1 inch and mark our starting point. And now that neckline that I measured, which is 8 inches, you divide it by 2 because it's going to be on fold. And I marked 4 inches. Divide it by 2. The neckline where you want it to start, divide it by 2 because it's going to be on fold when cutting on your fabric. Then I'll mark it out and square it up. Now at the upper part of the hoodie, I'll mark 3.5 inches. At the outer part, I'll also come out by 3.5 inches for the upper part of the hoodie. And I'll go inwards by 3.5 inches. I'll go ahead and connect the lines. Then at the down part, I'll go up by 3.5 inches and I'll connect it down to the down part of the hoodie. I'll connect it like so. And I'll go ahead and blend the sharp edges. At the down part, I'm going to come up by 3.5 at the borderline. I went up by 3.5 inches and I at the start of the hoodie I went up by 1 inch and I connected it down to the 3.5 inch I came up with. Can you see what I'm doing? Then I will go ahead and cut it out like so. At this point, if you're still watching, drop your comments, like my video, subscribe. And this is what we have for the pattern. This is what we have. Then you're going to get your fabric. You're going to put it on fold and cut. This is how I cut it. I just added my allowance. I have 4 pieces of this, 4 pieces, 2 for the main fabric and 2 for the lining. And now I'm going to take it to the machine, 2 for the fabric and 2 for the lining. And now I'm going to take it to the machine and stitch the back side. The front side is going to be open, and now I will take it to the machine and stitch the back side with 1/2 inch sewing allowance. I will do the same to both the lining and the fabric. And when I bring it together, when you're going to turn it, okay, I guess the part where I join the lining and the fabric. After turning the fabric and the lining, after joining it, just put it together and sew. Join it together. I guess I lost the clip where I joined the 2 fabrics together. And now we are going to attach it to the place where you marked. I'm going to attach it to the place where I marked. And I will attach it like so. Take it to the machine and attach it, starting from the back side. I'll just stitch it down. And when you flip it, this is how it's going to be. And this is what you have. This is what you have after stitching. This is what you have. Thank you for watching my video. Please go ahead, like, subscribe for the bubu hoodie, bubu with hoodie cap. Please subscribe, like, and drop your comments. Thank you for watching. See you next time.